Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 automatic leveling machine. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Product number 5, Succubi Rotary Laser Level Kit. Specifications. Brand name, Succubi. Model number, 203. Power supply, 4.8 V. Leveling accuracy, plus or minus 1 to 8 inches at 100 feet. Working range, 984 feet, 300 m. Protection rating, IP54. Self-leveling range, plus or minus 3 degrees. Laser wavelength, 635 nanometers plus or minus 10%. Laser output power, 1 milliwatt. Net weight, 5.07 pounds, 2.35 kilograms. Material, ABS. Product number 4, QPAR ZK04CG. Specifications. Brand name, QPAR. Model number, ZK04CG. Battery included, yes. Electronic, yes. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Size, 38.5 by 11.5 by 32.6 centimeters. Measurement model, 16 lines. Wavelength, 505 to 520 nanometers. Origin, China. Product number 3, Firecore Rotary Laser Level. Specifications. Brand name, Firecore. Model number, FRL300R, FRL300G. Battery included, yes. Electronic, yes. Type, rotary lasers. Measurement model, 16 lines. Wavelength, 635 to 650 nanometers, 505 to 520 nanometers. Precision, plus or minus 3 millimeters, 30 m. Waterproof/dustproof, IP55. Laser class, class 2. Mounting thread, 5 to 8 inch. Working distance, 600 m with receiver. Product number 2, QPAR S04CG-C. Specifications. Brand name, QPAR. Model number, S04CG-C. Type, vertical and horizontal lasers. Measurement model, 16 lines. Wavelength, 505 to 520 nanometers. Precision, plus or minus 3 millimeters, 10 m. Laser class, class 2. Self-leveling time, 3s. Battery capacity, 2600 mAh Li-ion battery. Mount size, 1 to 4 inch. Charging port, Type C. Feature, with detector, LCD display, remote, Bluetooth and bracket. Product number 1, QPAR W04CG. Specifications. Brand name, QPAR. Model number, W04CG. Electronic, yes. Measurement model, 16 lines. Wavelength, 505 to 530 nanometers. Laser class, class 2. Screen type, LCD screen with backlight. Working distance, 20 m to 40 m with detector. Working time, 6.5 hours, continuous use with all laser beams on. Mount size, 1 to 4 inch, 20, and 5 to 8, 11. Power source, 2600 mAh Li-ion battery. Functions, with LCD screen, Bluetooth, and remote control.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon.